what's up guys, hope everyone's doing fine and welcome back to the channel. First of all, I am sorry because the plan was to start vlogging regularly, but then I was in Bangalore, not Bangalore, I was in Karnataka for about 8 days in several places. I couldn't vlog there. Even if I did, I couldn't edit it right then, so I thought, why stress out? Yeah, now that I'm back in Hyderabad, I thought I'll start out fresh. Whew. One thing, whenever I go out, if I'm out of house, either when I'm at my grandma's place or when I go out on trips and stuff, this happens to everyone, but then I've been observing this a lot in the last few months. I tend to gain a lot of weight. When I say a lot, believe me, a lot. Once I came home, my mom just asked me, what the hell happened to you? You look a lot puffy. I was like, yeah, I know. So I was just thinking, starting from tomorrow, I'll have to take care of my diet, my exercise and stuff. I've been just letting it go for a long time now after my shoulder injury, but now I have to do something about it. And yeah, if you're thinking where is this guy going now, let me first. Yeah, so if you're thinking where is this guy going now, I'm going to meet Likith because it's been over like 1.5 weeks or something. Actually, एक हफ्ते में $500. Actually, एक हफ्ते में I've seen petrol prices in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana. The lowest I've seen was 104, I think. I don't remember where, but 104 रुपए का था कहीं भी तो. I think it was in Tamil Nadu. I've also seen 107. I think that was in AP or something. 500. Hyderabad में तो तब से it is 105 only. I mean in Telangana. So ऐसे लॉकडाउन के बाद तो ज़्यादातर लोग बाहर जाते नहीं हैं. मतलब हम जैसे लोग जो घर से काम करते हैं बाहर जाते नहीं हैं, तो जितना भी पेट्रोल हो रहा 1 हफ्ता 2 हफ्ता चलते ही जाता है. सो इट्स गुड, बट दिन इतना ज़्यादा होना है. अच्छा चलिए, तो मैं काम करता हूँ, वहाँ पे पहुँच के बात करता हूँ. बिकॉज़ अगर मैं आपके साथ बात करते ही गया तो आई जस्ट कीप टॉकिंग एंड लेट हो जाएगा घर वापस आने में, इसलिए. सो आई टॉक टू यू गाइस वंस आई रीच दिस प्लेस. हाँ, ओके. सो कॉफ़ी पीना हो गया. यहीं पे बैठा है साला. So I just came down to talk to him. Lots of stuff we had to talk about. Some things about me, some things about him. वक्त तो चलता ही रहता है. Everything is going to sort out in time. So లిఖిత్ బాబు, ఎప్పుడు ఎలాగుంటావో అలాగే ఉండి. ఇప్పుడే చెప్పా మా బావగాడు అంటే ఇలాగా, మా బావగాడు అంటే అలాగా అని చెప్పి, నువ్వేట్రా ఇలాగైపోతే.
वक्त तो चलता रहता है ना, वक्त के सिलसिले में बदल जाते हैं.
सर
इट्स हिंदी समटाइम्स रेयर. वक्त के सिलसिले में बदलना पड़ता है.
अच्छा.
टू मच हिंदी.
ఓకే. సో ఇట్స్ ఆల్రెడీ 9:15. ఇప్పుడు ఇంటికి వెళ్ళకపోతే బయటే ఉన్నాను నన్ను అంటారు మా ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళు. సో ఐ స్టార్ట్ అవుట్. ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. తర్వాత మాట్లాడుకుందామే.
ఏమైనా ఆడదాం,
సండే ఈవినింగ్ ఆడదామా? సిసిల్గాని కూడా కలవాలి. ఆడు వచ్చినాక ఒకసారి మాట్లాడన్నాడు, ఇంకా పొద్దున్నే టైం కుదరలేనా.
వాడే వస్తాడు మీ ఇంటికి, లేకపోతే
అదే విల్ డూ సంథింగ్. చలో బాయ్. Okay, so all right guys, ये तो हो गया. अब घर जाना है. बोला था 1 घंटे में आ जाऊंगा. It's almost 1 hour now. I have to reach home, and then I have some footage that I've shot when I was back in Bangalore and other places that I can't put on the vlog though, because there's nothing, and moreover it's not videos of mine and stuff. So I have to copy the data from the GoPro to my PC and then see what I can do of it. So mostly that is it for today. I'll vlog again if something else comes up, but then from tomorrow I've decided I've gotta do a serious detox. I've had lots and lots of stuff in the last few days, food, drinks, whatnot. At least until the weekend I have to make some strict changes in my diet and exercise. I have to go back to gym from tomorrow. नहीं तो ये ना एक आदत सा हो जाता है. You put on weight and then you get comfortable with it, and then you put on more weight and then you get more comfortable with it, and then you just leave it like that. I don't like seeing myself like this. So yes, from tomorrow we want to start out, and it's going to be fun. If you've watched the vlog until now, I think it's going to be a short video, but then if you've watched the vlog until now, just because I'm trying to put up regular vlogs from now on, please support me, subscribe to our channel, like the video, share it with your friends, and stay tuned. So see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Stay happy, and most important of all, stay safe. See ya.